because about this one. Kasi laging issue kung sino ba humahawak ng pera pag Pakistani yung asawa mo. Kasi maraming curious ano ba ang meron sa refrigerator ng mga Pakistani women? Ano ba yung madalas na kinakain nila? Ito yun, guys. I'm just giving you ideas. Yun lang yun. Fresh green peas. Ayan. So, ganyan siya. And then, babalatan namin ng ganyan. Patrabaho siya, diba? Pero okay lang. Fresh naman eh.
Hi guys! Welcome to the video! Please subscribe! Thank you!
Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. It's me, Khadija. And for today's video, guys, is I'm gonna give you a tour to my mother-in-law's refrigerator. So this is a refrigerator tour. Nauso siya. So dahil binigyan ko na kayo ng kitchen tour ni mother-in-law, this time I'm gonna give you the refrigerator tour. So this is my mother-in-law's refrigerator here. Ito. Yes. So this is my mother-in-law's refrigerator. Saka na lang tayo mag-refrigerator tour sa sarili kong refrigerator pag meron na akong sarili ko, diba? So for now, kay mother-in-law muna. And of course, I have asked her permission for this. And it's okay guys, we can go ahead. So ano-ano ba ang nilalaman ng refrigerator ng isang Pakistani housewife? Kung interesado ka ulit malaman, then you have to watch this video till end. Anyway guys, without further ado, simulan na natin. So, ito yung nilalaman ng freezer niya, guys. Isa-isahin ko siya para sa inyo. Okay. Ito, by the way, this is all beef dito sa taas. I know it, of course, because I am the one who organized our refrigerator. Okay, so this one here, guys, is a beef's meat with a mix of bones. We sometimes cook Pakistani dish with beef with bones, yung ganon. So, that's why we kept it ready. Kumbaga, naka-slice na siya. It's already sliced. And they're mixed already and they're already clean. So, yan. And this one here naman, mga ibang pakete ba to? So, marami pa naman ito. This is 4 packets sa taas. So, ito naman guys, these are just meat. Wala siyang halong bones. These are just meat. It doesn't have a mix of bones. And these are already sliced. And this is enough for one cooking, of course. Kaya, we kept it ready already. And this here, guys, this one here is the keema or yung tinatawag na ground beef. Keema yung tawag nila niyan sa Urdu. So marami kami nito, marami kaming ground beef kasi mahilig sila kumain ng ground beef dito, guys. At saka mabilis lang din gawin, mabilis lang siya lutuin, kaya mas marami kaming ground beef. Actually, doon sa loob, makikita niyo yan sa loob doon. Yan doon, puro yung ground beef, guys. So ayusin ko lang muna to. So, dito kasi sa bahay, mahilig sila kumain ng beef. Kaya marami kaming stocks ng beef. And dito naman sa baba, guys. So, ito, beef with bones din to. Kagaya ng nandun sa taas kanina. Beef with bones. Beef with bones siya. Hanggang doon sa loob. Tingnan nyo yan. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Beef with bones. Tapos, ito naman, guys, if you're asking what this is, ito yung mga naipon na cream ng mga pinapakuluan naming gatas. I've showed you that video, diba? So, we gather the cream and then we refrigerate it hanggang sa dumami sila and then we are going to make butter out of it and then later process it into a clarified butter or ghee. So, dito siya. Yan pa lang yung nagagather namin. And, nandito na tayo sa baba, guys. So, dito sa baba, this is a ready-made prata, guys. And, I don't know, actually here in the house, we are making our own prata, but since my mother-in-law tried this one and, you know, we like it, she likes it too, so kaya bumibili na siya lagi para if in case na gusto niya kumain ng instant prata, is meron nang naka-ready. And then this one here is also prata, but this one with the stuffing of potatoes. May aloe stuffing siya. Pero itong nasa baba is normal prata lang siya, so kinakain ko to usually with cheese. Masarap siya, guys. So, lagay muna natin siya dyan. Ano ba? So, meron din kami 2 packets. Alam nyo, bakit naka-white to, guys? Kasi, ano to, it's a lamb's meat. So, hindi kasi ako makain ng lamb's meat, eh. Baka mamaya magkamali kami. Tapos, diba? Kaya, I packed it separately para ma-identify namin yun. And then, so, 2 pakete lang siya. And by the way, guys, this one is a butter. So, ginawa to ni Amiji kahapon kasi marami na yung nag-gather niyang cream na ganyan. So, ginawa na niyang butter. And then, iipunin niya ulit to. And then, later, gagawa na siya ng clarified ghee pag dumami na siya. Like the one that I showed you last time in my other video as well. Yung how to make a clarified butter. And then, meron pa tayo dito sa likod, guys. Ayun, ito naman sa likod na to. These are the, ano ba yun? Palak. Ano ba yung palak? Yung kinakain ni Popeye. Ano ba yung kinakain ni Popeye, guys? Ano to? Spinach. Ayun, spinach siya, guys. So, I showed you rin in one of my video, live in Pakistan, where Shahinanti was cutting the vegetable, which is kagaya nito, guys. So, she cut it and she boiled it. And then, nilagay namin sa plastic and we refrigerated enough for one cooking as well. So, this one here, guys, is the boneless chicken. So, ayan siya. These are the small slices of chicken, boneless chicken, and these are yung breast chicken siya. So, we always talk like this at home because we like to cook pasta. So, at least, you know, this is something that it's more easy for us to prepare. That's why my mother-in-law always buy this. So right now, guys, we don't have a chicken pieces, but before we used to keep chicken pieces whenever we want to cook biryani. For now, kasi hindi pa nakapamili ng chicken si father-in-law, kaya yan lang munang meron kami meat. Pero meron naman kami chicken nuggets. Ayan, so chicken nuggets. So these are K&N's brand. Inalis lang namin siya sa box para magkasya kasi punong-puno na yung freezer namin, guys. Ayan, so these are chicken nuggets. Tapos dito naman sa taas, guys. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba? Dito sa taas are my cheeses. So, I have different types of cheddar cheese. Meron akong cheddar cheese na Kraft, yung brand. Tapos ito naman is Adam. Ayan, meron pang isa dito. It's also cheddar cheese. Pero masarap kasi siya. That's why I'm always buying them. And, yan, what else? Sa akin yan. And this here, guys, ito naman, this is a fresh green peas. We peel it, we wash, we drain, and we keep it in one plastic. And this is enough for one cooking as well. So, dalawa sila dito. There are two here. Huwag ko nang alisin para hindi ako mahirapan. So, yan. So, yan yung nasa taas ng refrigerator ng aking mother-in-law. Refrigerator niya to, guys, kasi siya yung pumupuno nito. Kaya, yun. Ngayon, dito naman tayo sa baba. I'm gonna show you. Babaan natin yung camera. Tara! Ayan. So, yan yung laman ng aming refrigerator. So, dito side sa taas, guys. This one here is ata, or yung ginagawang roti. So, this is a brown ata for brown roti. And this is especially for my father-in-law kasi hindi siya kumakain ng hindi brown roti. And down here naman is yung normal ata for normal roti. Ayan, so this is for us. Ito yung kinakain namin ni na mother-in-law, sister-in-law ko. Ayun. Tapos, meron kaming mga leftover food, guys. These are our leftover food. Itong ulam namin. Ulam namin to, guys. So, ito is krele. Ano ba yung krele? Amargoso. Ayan. Bitter gourd. Ayan, alam ko na ha, bitter gourd. Tapos ito naman is yung lady finger or yung okra. Yan. So, actually, vegetable lang kami today. So, okra din yon. And this one here is for Musa and Isa. And this is munggo, guys. This is kalidal. So, a little bit is left. I'm gonna feed this to them. Nagluto ko kanina ng pasta. So, ito yung leftover ng niluto kong pasta, guys. Ito. So, ito yung kanin na sinain ko para sa amin na Musa and Isa. Tapos, meron kaming 7-Up, Coke. Yun. So, dalawa lang nilalagay namin para hindi masyadong crowded dito sa ref, guys. And, of course, we have a lot of tomatoes. Ayan. Alam nyo naman, here in Pakistan, tomato is the #1 ingredients ng mga ulam nila. So, that's why they always stock a lot here. And we also have fruit. So, ito is carbosa. Guys, hindi ko lang alam kung ano siya sa English. Pero ang tawag nila dito sa Pakistan is carbosa. Ito. So, mahilig yung father-in-law ko sa fruit. So, nagsastock talaga siya lagi. And then, ito. Ito naman yung fresh milk ni mother-in-law. So, iinumin niya yan mamaya sa kanyang tea. And this one down here, we have a lot of apples kasi gustong-gusto ni na Musa, Isa, tsaka ng mga pinsan nila kumakain ng apples. Kaya laging bumibili ng maraming apples si father-in-law or si mother-in-law. And we also have some vegetables, guys. Ayan. So this one here, my mother-in-law specially bought this for me kasi natikman niya yung tortang talong na ginawa ko last time and she likes it and she said, okay, I will buy you a lot of bangles. And since then, lagi na niya akong binibilhan nito. Kasi sabi niya, okay, at least you can eat Filipino food. Kasi mabilis lang nga lang gawin. And of course, meron kaming repolyo. Or cabbage. Dito sa baba, guys. Ayan. Dito sa baba. This is where we keep our ketchup. Nakaganyan kasi yung pakete ng ketchup dito eh. That's why I kept it down here. Ayan, meron kaming chili, normal. So, I kept this normal. Hindi namin ito ginagawang sausawan. Ginagawa ko itong spaghetti sauce ko. Ayan, mayroong barbecue sauce. Ano ba? Mayonnaise na parang mauubos na yun. So, yan guys, yung dito sa baba ng aming refrigerator. So, dito na ulit tayo sa pinto ng refrigerator, guys. Of course, hindi mo mawala ang eggs. Kasi mabilis siyang i-prepare. So, usually, sa umaga talagang kumakain sila ng boiled egg dito. Kaya, we have a lot. Actually, hindi pa bumibili si father-in-law ng eggs. Pero, usually, pag bumili yun, siguro mga maximum of 3 trays yung bibilhin niyang eggs. Tapos, dito naman guys sa baba is yung mga green chilies. Ayan, they always keep green chilies because we often use this when we make Pakistani food. And then, meron kaming naka-peeled na garlic so that we can just mash it easily. Merong ginger. Ayan. Ginger din to. And we also have lemon. Ayan. And ano pa ba? Ang dami-daming laman guys. Kaya parang matagal tong aking video. Mashallah. Okay. Down here naman are our strawberry jam. So, Musa and Isa loves to eat this with the sliced bread. That's why my mother-in-law always buys them. Strawberry jams. And this one is apple jam. Yan. And this here are the butters. Commercial butter siya. And this one here naman guys, this is how we keep our mint. Para hindi siya madaling masira agad. So, whenever we want to make mint juice, at least we have mint ready. Ayan. So, nirorolyo ko lang siya sa newspaper. Then, huhugasan ko na lang siya bago ko siya gawing juice. So, down here naman is our sliced bread. So, meron kaming white sliced bread at meron kaming brown sliced bread, especially for my father-in-law kasi hindi siya kumakain ng white sliced bread. Tapos, meron kaming parang ruwabza. Pang juice din ito. So, we just keep it there. And of course, ito yung bagong fresh milk na dineliver kay Ami G. Kailangan pa to i-boil. Talagay muna siya dyan. Mamaya na yun i-boil. So, yan guys. Yan ang meron sa ref ng aking Pakistani mother-in-law. Kasi maraming curious eh. Ano ba ang meron sa refrigerator ng mga Pakistani women? Ano ba yung madalas na kinakain nila? Ano ba yung madalas na piniprepare nila? So, ito yun guys. I'm just giving you ideas. Yun lang yun. So, close na natin yan. So, syempre guys, si mother-in-law bumibili ng laman ng ref na ito. Kaya talagang in-address ko rin that this is a tour to my mother-in-law's refrigerator. Saka na lang tayo magtutour ng refrigerator ko pagka meron na ako. Who knows, pag nakapunta na kami ng Qatar, I will give you a refrigerator tour as well. By the way guys, I just want to discuss about this one. Kasi laging issue, sino bang humahawak ng pera? Pag Pakistani yung asawa mo, it was the mother-in-law who takes care of the groceries and everything. So, the money is given to the mother-in-law, diba? So, that's also happening to me. But, I don't mind. For me, it's fine, guys. Of course, ewan ko, siguro sa ibang wife, for them, it's not fine. But for me, it's fine. Really, promise. Kasi, why it's fine? Because it's a less headache to me, guys. I don't need to go to the market and, you know, think of what I want, what everyone needs in the house. Kasi all I do is just make the list and give it to my mother-in-law and she buys it. Actually, sometimes I feel bad for her going alone to the market. That, you know, mahirap kaya mamalengke mag-isa. So sometimes, kung may magbabantay ng anak ko, for example, my sister-in-law is here, I will go with her to the market so that at least she will have help. Syempre, kasi mahirap mamalengke, guys. Another thing is that ayoko rin na it will be a cause of me and my husband's fight if in case I won't be able to manage the money properly. Kasi I know myself, I love shopping online. Kaya it's a good thing na for me, guys. Actually, my mother-in-law, mashallah, she is very generous, guys. Kahit hindi ko hinihingi, she always gives me. Sometimes like, she's so sweet. Bibili siya ng sneakers. Kasi alam niya, I love chocolates. I love sneakers, chocolate. So, bibili siya nun and she will give it to me along with all the groceries that she bought for me, for Musa and Isa. So she's the one who's buying the diapers and milk for my kids because my husband is sending her the money for the monthly groceries for us. So I don't mind this. It's a less headache for me, honestly. Another thing is my husband is, mashallah, he always gives me my own allowance. So at least when I have my allowance, that is my money, I can do anything that I want with it and I won't be asked what did I do with my money. So yun lang, guys, I'm so happy with my allowance already. I don't aim to take whatever allowance there is for our groceries because I don't want those headache in my head. Yun, guys. So I'm okay with that. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. So I don't know with other sisters who are also married to Pakistani, maybe they're facing the same. Actually, guys, honestly, kahit magkasama kami ng asawa ko, I don't like to take responsibility in, you know, budgeting the money for our groceries. Ayoko nung ganun. I let him keep the money and, you know, he will just give me my allowance. Yun lang. So, whenever he goes to grocery naman, he takes me with him. And, of course, whatever I want, I can just drop it on the basket and he will pay for it. So, yun, guys. Simple lang ang buhay. At yun na nga yun, guys. That's all for this vlog. Nakita nyo na kung ano yung nilalaman ng refrigerator ng Pakistani mother-in-law ko. So, mahilig sila sa beef, guys. And then, maraming tomatoes. At saka, ano ba yun? Basta, yun na yun. Nakita nyo kanina. So, I hope you like this video and nag-enjoy kayo, guys. Of course, special shout out to my mother-in-law for, you know, supporting me. Thank you so much, Amiji, always. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. And I just want to remind you that if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please do not forget to subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell as well para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong video dito sa Pakistan. Thank you, guys! This is the green peas we're using here in Pakistan, guys. Fresh green peas. Fresh green peas siya. Ano ba yan? Nabubulol ako. Fresh green peas. Ayan. So, ganyan siya. And then, babalatan namin ng ganyan. Patrabaho siya, diba? Pero okay lang. Fresh naman eh. Peas. So, yan. I will buy the one which is in the can. I don't wanna buy this fresh one. If I buy this already peeled. So, ayan na siya lahat, guys. Sa ganito karaming ano, diba? Binalatan namin. Ang gagawin ko ngayon is ibabalot ko siya at ilalagay sa freezer. So, panoorin nyo to. So, meron kaming ganitong plastic. Yeah,